You've done the work, read the books, listened to the teachers, tried to heal, but still, something aches, something's missing. Like peace is always one step ahead, no matter how far you go. This is a Zen story about a boy, and the journey back to what was never lost. There was once a young boy who longed for something he couldn't name. He wandered through valleys, forests, mountains, searching for the great ox, the one that held the secret, the one that would bring peace. He followed footprints, then shadows, then silence. He searched for years, but the ox always stayed just out of reach. One day, he caught a glimpse, then the tail, then the whole form. But the ox fought him, pulled against the rope, tried to run. The boy held on, tight, exhausted, desperate, until one morning, he stopped pulling. He dropped the rope, and the ox, for the first time, stood still. Together, they walked back, not to a temple, not to a mountain, just home. The boy chopped wood, carried water, laughed more, spoke less. He no longer chased peace. He simply lived it. Not because he found the ox, but because he stopped chasing it. What you chase runs. What you welcome rests. Sometimes peace doesn't come from climbing higher, but from returning to the breath, the moment, the path beneath your feet. He came back to the same place he left, but this time he was different. He smiled and whispered, "I'm home."